Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a quick and delicious meal. Barbecue chicken, baked potatoes with carrots and broccoli. I will leave a list of the ingredients in the description box below. Let's get started. Here I have some chicken thigh fillets. Wash meat with lemon or vinegar. Meat is clean and ready to be seasoned. Add a few drops of oil, this helps hold the seasoning together. Add salt, chicken seasoning, black pepper, paprika, all-purpose seasoning, garlic seasoning, cayenne pepper. Rub in seasoning, making sure every pieces are saturated. Let this sit and marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. I have this marinated overnight. Now let's wash and prepare the potatoes. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes. Use a vegetable brush to cleanse potatoes thoroughly. Add a few drops of oils on potatoes. This helps the potato skin crisp up to achieve a desirable texture. Massage all, then add a few seasonings. I'm adding salt, onions, and all-purpose seasoning. Poking hole in the potatoes allows steam to escape as it cooks. Prepare the baking tray. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Add meat to baking tray. Place meat into oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. I added the potatoes as well. After 30 minutes, remove chicken. Add barbecue sauce to baste the chicken. Brush on sauce evenly. Place meat back into oven for another 30 minutes. Here we have it, baked to perfection. Juicy, ready to eat. But we are not done yet. Saute some carrot and broccoli in a saucepan. Let's get our potatoes. Cut down in the middle. Squeeze together to open. Add butter. Add cheddar cheese and sour cream. The sour cream is optional. Place back into oven for 2 to 3 minutes. Ready to serve. Simple and quick. There are many ways to make this meal. You can add your own creative technique. This was absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends. As always, thanks for watching.